how to change your picture on your public profile on Snapchat app. Hello guys, so in today's video I'm going to show you how to change your profile picture on your public profile easily. So all what you have to do is simple. Just go to Snapchat. Now this is the home page. Go to your avatar, click on your avatar and scroll down until you find my public profile. Click on it. This is my public profile. Now click on edit profile right here and go to your photo and click on it and choose from your gallery easily. It's very easy and fast. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching this video until the end. See you later and thank you so much.